What's up, buddy? How you doing?
All day.
Waiting for me all day, really?
Yeah, man.
I'm here, man, finally.
Yeah, I know.
Today's episode of Hauling Hoopties with Rob, we're going to pick up the 2002 Chevy Silverado in Maryland. What's up, buddy? How you doing?
All day.
Waiting for me all day, really?
Yeah, man.
I'm
Yeah.
here, man, finally.
Yeah, I know. It's been a long wait.
How you doing?
I'm doing well. How
Good,
can I help
good.
you? What is this?
ACV pickup.
ACV pickup?
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. How's it going, buddy?
Hey, what's up, man? How are you?
Good, good.
Good. So you've been waiting for me all day, too, or no?
We've all been waiting.
Oh, great. Awesome.
It's almost like it's a matter of time.
Ep62 Silverado. Cool, man. So... So, if I could just
Yeah.
get your name in that box and then phone number in that box right there.
Gotcha. There you go.
Perfect, man.
And where am I picking up at?
So you're going to be, the truck's going to be in the top corner.
Top corner?
Top right-hand corner.
Okay, awesome.
Yep.
Thanks, guys.
You're welcome.
You have a good one. All right. Actually, you know what? Can you toss this for me? I don't need that.
Yeah.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Of course, man.
Guys, have a good one.
You too. Hey, brother.
Hey, what's up, bud? How are you?
Good, man.
Good.
You picking one up?
Yeah, the truck over here. Chevy truck.
Okay.
Beat up one.
Did you get the keys from inside already?
I have them, yeah. Thank you. All right, let's see if this bad boy starts. 1125 stickers. Rusty. Really rusty. That's all right. Started. Got good stickers. Goes into drive. Probably runs good. Usually the junk runs the best. And this definitely is junk. tires on it. This was a good deal. I normally don't four-way strap vehicles if they're small, but whenever I pick up a truck, I always four-way strap it because it might go sideways. Because if the rear tires are past the fenders. Alright. Good thing is, this is easy. Alright, we're locked and loaded. Head back to the Hoopty headquarters. Alright, we're back at Hoopty headquarters. Let's take this bad boy for a ride and see how it runs. AC works. It's a good thing. Brake light's on for some reason. Don't know why, don't care. Shifted so far, that's good. Third gear. Alright, this is a good deal. I drove far for this thing. The OG F150 is my baby. Wow, this feels alright. AC feels cold. Radio works. It says low coolant. Probably needs a little bit of antifreeze. Some fuses. I'm taking that. I'm taking this. This is for the tow package. It's a shame it's so ugly. I would keep it. Just a little bit too rusty for me. And I like junk. But this is pretty rusty. It's always the beat up, raggedy cars and trucks that run the best. You get something nice and clean, it always has an issue. This has 248,000 miles on it. Not like an old Chevy. Or an old Ford at that. Make a little bit of noise. The tranny's a little slippy. This one's rear doesn't make any noise. The tranny feels good. Whoever had it, I mean, maintained it. Unfortunately, these things like to rust out a lot. Wow, this is a good buy. I think I paid $350 for this. I have to check. topped off with water. Seems like it's okay. It doesn't look like it's leaking anything. We're gonna load it up on the trailer, drop it off to the Hoopty headquarters. It's gonna be $1,700. Should sell no problem. Cold AC, runs good, just a little rusty. All right, let's load it up. $1,700, runs beautiful. Huh? Runs beautiful. Go ahead, take it around. Huh? Runs. It's rusty as shit though. I know it runs beautiful. That's why if it wasn't so rusty, I'd keep it around. I told you it runs good. Rusty. I know.
It's powerful too.
I know. It's a 5.3.
Yeah, I got an 04 Yukon Dollar. These trucks, man, they run forever. The only reason why I bought this one was that I had another crew cab before it, half ton. And I tow a lot. I used to tow a lot with them. And every time I was tow something heavy, back was sagging a lot. Yeah. So I ended up buying this, and I don't know that. Yeah, so my kid just started driving, and I was just gonna let him use the Yukon, but then he wants a pickup truck. Yeah. I was like, all right, let's try it. Like you said, these old dogs, they're solid trucks. Yeah, well, this one we got 142,000 miles. My truck before that had 307. Really? Yeah, so they run forever. I mean, this truck's probably got another 300,000 miles to go. One guy I work with, an older guy, he has one in the greatest color. That was his dad. And daddy was holding so thing, you don't use the right thing. The next day, he's like, oh, I can't get rid of it. You just keep it strong. You just keep changing your mind. I don't want any weird feelings. Yeah. I'll find a different one. They're around. I mean, you just got to travel for them. Yeah.
Alright, there you go, guys. Chevy Silverado, dual exhaust, nice tires, C71. It's got a thing in the back. Paid $375 for it. Cold AC. What do you think? $2,000, or should I just put $1,700? Alright, two grand. Put it for $2,000, see what happens. It's got nice tires too. Alright, we're gonna put it for $2,000, see what happens. Got some rust, but these are the best Chevys you can buy. One light out in the front, not bad. $375. I drove like 2 hours to get that polished shit. But it's worth it in the end. It's gonna be a nice profit. So I can buy some more parts for my GTO so I can tear his ass up. Alright, like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. Stay tuned. Peace.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit.